Bicycle, Wonderful Wizard of Oz. So, bubuksan natin to. First sa box, makikita mo na yung gold foil and green na colorway. Ayan. Tapos ito yung likod niya. It's a symmetrical back, no? So, you have different details. Parang balloon ba yan, no? And you have the Oz na logo, no? Sa loob nito, check natin yung cards. Ayan. Inside, you have two jokers. Yung isa green and yung isa gold colorway. Ayan. Similar siya. And you have the Ace of Spades. I think standard lang ba? Or green. Green, no? Dark green. Parang dark green yung spade niya. Ayan. Tapos yung mga numbered cards niya, it's custom. Custom yung mga pips niya. Ayan. And for the court cards, it's a full illustration artwork. Symmetrical yan. Diba? Ito yung mga characters I would assume. And for the Ace of Diamonds, it's a custom one. Tapos ganun rin, custom rin yung pips ng mga diamonds na numbered cards. And you have a different set of court cards for the diamonds, for the clubs, iba-iba rin yan. And for the hearts, ayan, iba rin yung court cards niya. Next is, let's see kung meron siyang, ito, you have two extra cards. This one is a QR code and you have the information. Ito yung information about Wizard of Oz. And for the back, you have a full color na green, the base with a symmetrical back design. So, available na to. Yun lang.